Why? It's gonna be a rainbow?
What?
It's gonna turn into a rainbow?
I think so. That's cool.
Wow.
That's cool. I did it.
That is a rainbow. Rainbow
Go
circle.
ahead and open it up.
Okay, we can make a set for mom or
And
dad.
for you.
Yeah, and for me. I don't know what to do with these. We can do my
That's for the dye colors.
dye color. I'm gonna put this thing right here, okay, Mom?
Where's the colors? What the heck? Yeah, we'll have to figure it out.
Okay, we can.
Let's get it set up now.
Okay.
Alright, so the color's already in the bottle, and we're just supposed to put cold water in it. Look, Emery.
Can we see? What?
Yeah, come look.
Come look.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do it.
Emery,
Okay,
come.
guys, we're doing this one, I think.
Yep, the swirl one. Okay. So
Okay,
now
I like that one.
we're gonna pinch it.
Pinch it, Mommy.
Pinch it. Hold on, baby. Hold on.
Why are we doing my video?
Yes. Hold on a second,
Why are we doing that?
because it gives it the tie-dye effect, I guess. I've never done this, so
I never seen my friends give me this.
all right. And now we take. I hope I did that. Pinch it and swirl. All right. So now we do secure it with rubber bands. That's what it says. Wake up.
What? Mom,
All right. So
why we have to do this for?
because this keeps the shirt in place when you put the dye on it.
It's just like a snowflake.
Cool. All right, now I'm going to do just the purple on the pink, and we have to remove. Okay, hold still, silly. To remove this cap. All right. You got your gloves on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So grab your purple. There you go.
Not all the colors on this.
Just yeah, we're only doing purple on this one. All right, put it right there.
Put it right here.
Mm-hmm. Right here.
Right here.
Yep. Go ahead. Is it coming out?
Yeah.
Cool. A little bit right there too.
Wow.
All right, now do some over here. Good girl. We're only in this section here though, okay? Right here. There you go. Okay, hold on. Don't do all of it. Now we're going to do some right here. Good.
Okay. Circled.
Just put it in the bag. There you go. I wonder if we were supposed to flip it over to the other side. I think we should just to be safe. Let's do a little bit here. All right, Jackie. All right, that's good, baby.
I'm going to make one for my friend. That's cool. So very good.
Good job. Good job. All right, now we're going to tie this up.
Why are we doing that?
There you go. Just put it in a bag and let it sit for several hours. 6 to 12. All right, so we're making brother a headband.
Headband. Mom.
Yep.
boys don't wear headbands.
Yeah, they do. It's a handkerchief. You'll see.
Okay.
All right, that's good. Let's save some for the other t-shirt. Okay? Good. All right, sis. Have at it. Make mommy one now.
I'm using, is this letter on?
Yes, yellow.
Okay, let's do the mom. Whoa. Leopard. Keep them separate, okay?
All right, finish this section right here, baby.
Okay.
Make that whole thing yellow. There you go. All right, now you're doing mommy's shirt. Yep, go ahead. Way better. Yeah, that looks good. Oh my gosh, I already love it. Dad, look. Oh, I'm so excited.
I'm making a rainbow one.
She's making a rainbow one.
Wow.
She's doing so good.
Bye-bye.
Good job, sweetie.
You're doing great,
My
Emery.
favorite color is purple.
You're doing it.
Don't forget, we have to save some for the other side. We have to flip it over and do it again, okay?
Okay.
The purple looks like it's running low.
What?
Are we running out of purple? Yeah, we don't have a lot left. It's okay, go ahead.
Blue, but a favorite.
Wow, she's doing so good, Dad. She wants to make one for her teachers. Look at it, it looks so cool.
I never did this before.
Emery should be a clothing designer when she's older.
What?
That's how good you are. You're good. Oh my goodness.
I want to keep this for making it, for me go at work when we get older.
Oh, you're gonna use this when you go to work when you get older?
Mm-hmm.
That's so cool. You're gonna have to get some more dye so you can make a shirt for your teacher.
But I found a color again. There. Do you like it?
I'm loving it. I think you should put a little bit more yellow right here.
Okay.
You might have to move. There you go. That's better. You have to move over there so you can see it. Good, good.
Ooh.
It's okay. All right. You want to flip it over now?
Ooh. Do you like the letter on the
It's
purple?
okay. Yeah, it's fine.
Wow.
All right, that's enough, baby. You gotta flip it over now and do the other side.
Do the other side.
That's gonna look so good.
Whoa, whoa, it's so heavy.
I know. All right, color it up.
Color.
Color it up. All right, just finished the last one. This is Mommy's shirts, and I'm already loving it. This looks so good.
I want to do the. I think I want to do one for my teacher.
All right, I'll see if I can find another white shirt. I don't know. We'll see.
Okay, we ran out of shirts, so we're gonna use this old shirt right here. It's not exactly white. It's turned beige now. It's pretty old, but we're gonna turn it back to life. All right, let's try this out.
Can we talk on the? Which color you want to put on your shirt, Dad?
Anyone, baby. Surprise me.
All right, sis, make Daddy one.
Lego is a boy color, I think. Is Lego a boy color?
Yeah.
Okay, you get it. Blue. Let's have more blue. Blue and yellow. Whoa. Do you like it?
That looks good, babe.
Wow, that's really intense blue.
Yellow. Yellow and blue.
All right. We're rinsing off Daddy's shirt now.
Yeah.
Well, make sure you show them this right here. There you go.
We are cleaning Daddy's set. I can't wait because it's cool and pretty. My dad gonna get the pliers. I see a little bit white we just did last time.
Oh my gosh, look at all the colors.
I see all the colors we made. This is for Dad or Mom?
This one's for Dad.
This is for Dad. Okay, guys. It's
Oh my
so cool.
gosh. Are you showing them?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
This is so cool. I can't wait to get it to Dad.
All right, back up so they can see the whole shirt. What do you think?
Oh. Okay, do you like it, guys? Do you like it, guys? This look cool to me.
Right now, we're gonna put it in the
This
dryer.
is look coolest.
Come here, baby. Don't show mommy though. All right, now we're gonna put it in the dryer to set the
Ooh.
colors in better.
I think this.
All right. Yep.
This is Mommy something we made.
Can they see it?
A day.
Do they see it?
They do.
Good. Okay.
If you want to get my mom's shirt, you have to let your sister make it. She's the one who made it. All right. See ya.